A new service is being launched for the 7 Series. This service provides our customers with optimal machine performance. ConSite Air Remote Support Service. This support service watches over customers' machines and maintains them in optimum condition, even from locations distant from the worksite. ConSite Air supports customers through 2 functions. Remote diagnosis. Remote diagnosis allows troubleshooting and to assess the condition of the machine before visiting a site. Normally, 2 visits are necessary to service a machine, one for running a diagnosis and another one to fix the machine. Remote diagnosis allows assessment of the machine condition beforehand and allows the service provider to be prepared prior to the first visit. By shortening the time until the provision of service, downtime can be reduced. In addition, initial support can be received even at a remote location far from the service base. Remote diagnosis makes it possible to grasp the condition of the machine from a remote location and respond quickly. Remote software update. Updating to the latest software can be performed more easily, and it enhances the performance of the machine further. Updates can be performed according to customers' schedules, eliminating concern over downtime. ConSite Air focuses on remotely providing first-class support and optimal machine performance for our customers.